Welcome. Are you constantly missing your friends' birthdays on Facebook? Do you want to make sure you never forget to send a birthday wish again? Today, I'm going to walk you through the updated steps on how to turn on push notifications for your friends' birthdays on Facebook, so you'll always be in the loop and can spread some birthday cheer. Here's how to do it. 1. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone or tablet. 2. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the app. This will open up the menu. 3. Scroll down the menu until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the options, and then select Settings. 4. In the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. It might be under a category labeled Preferences. Tap Notifications to access your notification settings. 5. Scroll down until you find Birthdays. Tap on Birthdays to customize your birthday notification preferences. 6. Finally, toggle on the Push Notification option. This will ensure you receive birthday reminders directly on your phone or tablet through push notifications. You can also choose to receive notifications for upcoming or belated birthdays. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, you'll start receiving push notifications for your friends' birthdays, so you'll never miss an opportunity to celebrate. Facebook makes it super easy to stay connected and show your friends you care, and turning on birthday notifications is just one simple way to do that. So go ahead and set it up and get ready to spread some birthday joy.